Welcome to Edu with Fun. We like to wish you all a bright, sparkling, and happy new year. And today we are going to make one beautiful craft to decorate our wall and a house. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start and take A4 paper. You can take different color paper because we are going to make so many frills. One A4 paper, fold it into half and then cut it using scissor or using blade or using scale, whichever you are comfortable in. And but if your children are doing along with you, try to use child friendly things like child friendly scissor or a scale, or just cut it by using hands. Now fold it like this way, both the sides. This folding is very beautiful technique for child to do activity, eye-hand coordination, and fine motor skills. You can see here I have folded one already and I am folding another one as well. So in this way you have to fold it fully. If it is up and down, it's okay. We are looking for a craft which is beautiful and which is made by you and your child. So in this way you have to fold it into half, and using glue we are going to paste it. Put the glue in between when you're joining it and paste it. This is a beautiful frill. If there is anything in that, you should not worry, because these are the craft for you and your family to have fun and entertain yourself. And while doing this, you are learning a lot of things, and especially family bonding as well. You can see here I have done with few more colors using blue, yellow, pink. It's up to you which color you like, and mostly if you have any different color you can use that also. Take a thread, and now you know what you have to do, right? I got it. Good. So now just take a thread and roll it, and the thread, just tie it around this frill so that you can make a garland type of thing. Not exactly garland, but this is going to be stick on like this way. You can do simple knot or you can do another knot also. It's time taking, I know, but we are the one who are teaching our children the way we should work. We all should work. Now earlier you have seen I have taken only single thread. Now I am taking double, and now this will go inside the frill and we are going to tie it. As I was saying, these activities which we are doing here is just for the family bonding. This will increase your love for each other and patience, especially for the parents. Patience are very important. Being a mother, I also know, and teacher, I know how hard it will be when the child is doing something and it is not happening according to our wish. Because being an adult, we know how to work, but the children don't know. So encourage them. That is why I'm saying if there is something wrong, if the paper are folding not properly, paper folding is not proper or something, it's okay. Encourage child. You are doing so good. Now this way again I have to tie, and you have to tie for the frill, the thread. This is the another type of knot. You just tie it and this hanging is ready. Now once you are done tying everything, all the frills, is up to you how many frills do you want. Now can you see here I tied it around a thread and then on the light. How beautiful it is looking. You can use so many as you want. You can make it as a toran also. Look at this beautiful frill decoration. And this new year I hope you're going to do this and having fun with your child, because when we are at home, we should have something to do with our children and they should also enjoy along with us. Best wishes to all of you from Edu with Fun. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are going to make one for yourself as well. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you for liking it and thank you so much for sharing it. I hope you are doing this all things. So my trust and faith on you always is there. So now you can give me feedback as well on my Facebook account and you can mail as well. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.